As a business owner, you may have faced the challenge of getting your roof repaired or replaced within a tight timeline. At Seacoast Building and Design, we understand the importance of meeting critical deadlines for our clients. The World Tennis Center Resort Condominium Association faced a tight deadline from their insurance company. The insurer demanded that the 3 of the roofs visible in the video be completely replaced within 45 days, or the association would lose their insurance coverage. Even though we did meet the 45-day deadline to replace the 3 roofs, we faced difficulties in quickly custom fabricating the flashing for the fire-resistant parapet walls with rounded corners. Customizing the cap flashing was particularly challenging. For this project, we installed a TPO, short for thermoplastic polyolefin, which is a single-ply membrane, a recyclable synthetic rubber made from a blend of polypropylene and ethylene propylene rubber. The single-ply membrane is renowned for its exceptional durability, providing business owners with the peace of mind they seek when replacing their roof. Our TPO roofing installation comes with a premium 20-year labor and material warranty, ensuring that if any issues arise, the business owner will not be responsible for any associated expenses. TPO roofing systems are a popular choice for commercial buildings in Florida due to their highly reflective white surface, which helps reduce energy costs by deflecting solar radiation and minimizing heat absorption. This composition makes the interior spaces much more comfortable during the hot summer months. TPO is a UV-resistant and flexible material, making it well-suited for expansion and contraction. These properties makes it an ideal choice for Florida's extremely hot temperature fluctuations, as it can prevent cracking and other damage. If your Southwest Florida home or condominiums require roof repair or replacement, you now have a sure resource by which you can be confident.